Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply multiple animations to your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, you've added like an in animation here. Let's try like this one for instance. Okay, and I've also added like an out animation as well. Maybe this one. And I don't know if I'm going to add combo, but you can also add like a combo one in the middle here, but I'm not going to do that. Anyways, I want to add more than like one of each animation. So I'm going to just select right click, create compound clip, go back to animation, go to the in animation, and then here I can add in another animation here and another one at the end of it. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!